YouTube people, it's glad to present how to draw this image in Adobe Illustrator. Before we started, you must prepare color to draw this image. Rectangle tool, press button M for Windows users. Corner into radius, top and bottom. Here in front, we will create it as a top. Use Shapes Builder to throw shapes we don't need it. Press button, Shift plus M to command or click in menu toolbar. We add some gradient color. Adjust with your perspective highlight and shadow or follow the video only, is up to you. Perspective corner to look more realistic. In this case, we use outline of the top layer, copy into top layer. Outline thickness is 10 points. Line setup, make a line stroke inside, and then, the outline must use gradient color, and set up color area with highlight shadow directly. Frustrated that I ain't where I want to be yet, but I know that I'ma make it if I chase that check. Yes. Cause I done seen the time go by for too many years now when the stars were aligned. Cause I done seen the time go by. Yeah, I done seen the time go by. I've been waiting all my life, and it was right before my eyes. Watching all this time slip by, now I realize I've been waiting all my life, and it was right before my eyes. Watching all this time. Use rectangle tool. You can create it same as the first layer. Color tool. To copy the color into a layer that will change it, press button I to command. Position in the middle with your perspective.
Flying on dragons through sky-high city. These are our childhood dreams. It's how we used to be when we were kings and queens in our childhood dreams. Oh, 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 oh. Our childhood dreams.
Topping. Use 3 color, light color, main color and then shadow color, to get realistic decorative of the topping that we create.
Feeling. I feel so lightweight when I think back to those days. But then we went our own ways. I'm thinking about what needs to change. That we could world of our fantasy, digging up treasures and sailing across the sea. These are our childhood dreams. It's how we used to be when we were kings and queens in our childhood dreams. Oh, 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 our childhood dreams. These are our childhood dreams. It's how it used to be when we were kings and queens in our childhood
Topping, as many as possible. We will speed up the video.
Messing with my head again. You had your heart set on me, but these feels, they come and go, and they come so easily. Tell me what it is about you that I can't forget, but you're breaking down my walls again. Just
Shadow or texture of the stick to look realistic.
why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I?
We use shadow to appear the texture like outline. This use stroke 0.5, then choose uniform width 1.
Staying up when I go out, you gotta know I'm all yours. But when I
Create shadow of the ice cream. You can copy it all layer or just big layer. The layer we will unite. Choose Pathfinder, then click Unite.
seem so distant when I'm holding you, your fingertips are drifting away, and I fucking love how it hurts. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I? Why do I, baby, why do I? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Holding on, to what I know, to everything I've learned. What is real and fabricated? What is wrong? What is my problem? What can I get out of this world that I created? Fighting the storms in my head. Don't know where I have been. I'm alone, no one to turn to, no one understands. Shit's too complicated.